are safe and dry, snuggled in bed with a lullaby.